We just wanted to show you guys where we stand with the doors. Hooray! They actually had the correct measurement. We're here on the second floor balcony. I just want to show you the operation of these doors. Obviously, we got two perfectly new doors that match the old doors, except they don't have the rotted spots, so I hope you don't mind that. These are all brand new, and we just finished installing all the hardware. So I want to just show you the locking ability on these doors. There were a couple things that were kind of messed up on the old doors, and probably has been since the house was built. So these doors seal correctly now. Both doors have been adjusted. And what we've got here is got both doors open. Now you'll notice this is the door that we just replaced today. And this door obviously has to have two coats of paint. It only has the primer on it. And we've got to caulk in all the stop holes where the staples are. So we still got that to do. We'll come back in tomorrow and we'll take care of that. All the hardware is brand new. And the Astragal is the original Astragal. It was in great shape, so there's nothing wrong with it. So let me just show you how this functions now that it couldn't have before. Because obviously the edge hardware is all the original hardware. So when you close this door, pull it tight, lift up on the handle. Now that sets the 3-point lock, and then you latch it, and what the latch does is it makes it so you can't unlock the multi-point locking system. So now this is a fully latched passive panel. All right, and then when you close this door, you see that that's just closed, and it closes correctly. Lift up on the handle, 3-point latch system is now engaged, and then you set the deadbolt. And now the deadbolt allows it not to be unlocked. Both doors won't unlock by themselves. Everything's totally locked at this point. Here's the interesting thing that we found is with this deadbolt system here, we couldn't find a way that it ever could have worked. And the reason is, this is the strike plate for the deadbolt. Well, when it was on here originally, it was upside down and somebody had drilled a hole in it. Well, we're using still the same internal parts in the door, so they're spaced the same way they were spaced originally. So I'm assuming that the deadbolt, and I never tried to lock the deadbolt myself, so I think the deadbolt never locked before. But now everything operates correctly. We've got this strike plate turned right side up, and all the point system, everything. There were a couple of little issues internally with these point systems. We've got everything corrected and everything's working fine. Now we just have to come in and paint this door, put a second coat on this door, and both doors downstairs. And we'll run down there real quick and I'll just show you a couple of features of those doors. Alright, now we're downstairs, obviously. And just wanted to show you these doors obviously operate the same way. Anytime I usually change out hardware or door panels, I go back over the operation of the doors because they are they're kind of a different kind of door. Anybody that's not used to a 3-point locking system or a multi-point locking system, which could be as many as 5 or 6 points. Obviously this one is locked, and so everything works. All these doors have been readjusted. This was our good original door. We didn't have any problems with this door. So this one's adjusted, has the screws in the bottom now. Then when you close it, latches and locks without any problem. Has its new hardware on it, original Astragal. And this one obviously has been turned the right way up. So we know that that one locks already. And then on the outside, and this already has its strip on it that actually just gets stuck on there with 2-sided tape. Upstairs, once we paint the door, we'll stick that strip back on there, and that creates the watertight seal on the outside. From this side, we've adjusted these hinges, and this one locks and latches. These will be a little stiff, and they should be, but the good thing is they do solidly close, and they will seal once you stick these multi-point locking systems in. And then this one deadbolts exactly the same way without any issue at all. So we've looked around, made sure there's no leaks, everything's good. Again, this door has to have one more coat and it's putty done. And then we'll clean it up, check the glass, and you'll be good to go. And we appreciate you guys being patient. Thanks.